Hey guys, so we just got onto the beach. We're here, day 2, Sophie Adventure, Jamaican shore fishing. She's pumping up her paddleboard because she's gonna do water in a bit. So that's what's up, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some lures meantime while she's getting ready, get prepared, and she's getting it together. All right. We're fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're with Sophie Adventure. Water looking good down the Hopewell here today, guys. We're gonna do some bait fishing, but it's low tide, guys. I don't know how that's gonna pencil out today. So I gotta put a smaller lure on here though. This big lure is not working out. So Sophie down there, guys, getting ready to pull out on her paddleboard. She's in the water. Let you guys know that you're out with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. You're out here doing it up. Yo, there's a barracuda right here. There's a barracuda here that's about 3 pounds. He chased my line earlier, but he didn't commit. Sophie, there's a bait ball feeding right in front of you right there. There's another big bait ball feeding right down there. Look, right there. Bait ball feeding. Jackfish a feed. I jackfish school a feed, man. Sophie, you got a fish on? Huh? Jack a feed for a baby sprat, not you? Right, you look on the size of that jack, yeah, man. I want big jack with a line picking it, them I run around, you know. I wanted to kayak today, bro. If I had known Sophie was gonna put this in the water, I would have brought the kayak. Some fish, at least we guarantee we going home with something. Leo, stop playing with the clear water, Leo. You're on camera, I'm recording you. Go in the water, Leo. Sophie, tell Leo, go in the water, Leo. Yo, you have the whole of that stretch to the point, the find this fish shoot it. Come straight over here, so our reef come straight up. The reef run right from the other side of Sophie, this one go straight down. You see which part the diver them out there, you see 2 head them? See them out there, so? Out the side, away start get deep. Okay, so won't be looking for a barra this morning. See if I might find a lazy barracuda here in the shadow. Most likely will be someplace off here. Let's see what's up. Jackfish chase. That's a good sign. Yet, guys. Hey guys, so we're just walking the beach, guys, and see what we can pick up here. We'll pick up any lazy barracuda. Oh, there you go. Morning, morning. Three YouTubers in one place, guys, not normal. Andre from Hartman Adventures, that direction. I got Sophie Lofi Adventures out on the water, and I'm gonna work this beach this way, guys, and see what's up, see what we're gonna pick up this morning. Hunting for barra this morning, guys, see if I can pick one up in the shallows. Not guaranteed, but working on it, guys. We'll walk this down a little bit. Has to be a barra around here someplace. If you don't hit on this lure in the shallows, a fucking miracle, guys. Oh, I got a barra hitting after it. You see him, guys? This small barra. Two of them, not just one. Look, one, two, lures, three lures, even a jack. Got some little small action going on here, guys. Oh damn. I got you. I'm gonna hook a barra today, guys. I'm gonna take this lure off. I'm gonna slap this live bait on there. I'm gonna slap this live bait on this wire lead. Watch this, guys. He just chased this bait out the water, guys. He just chased this bait out the water. Do the hook real quick. Ahead. Want real food? You give me real food, buddy. I'll give her real food, guys. Alright, we see some barras playing around here just now. Let's get his attention.
There we go, guys. Live bait on the floor in there. 2 barrels moving around it. Oh, 2 barrels messing around it. Three of them. Yeah, 3 of them messing around it, guys. 3 juvenile. Who's going to be the lucky winner? Hey, grab it. He's gonna grab it. Watch him, guys. I don't know what's taking him so long. Look. Not going for it, guys. Some loaded juvie barracudas, guys, but they're not picking up. Gotcha. Fish on, guys. We got a barra. Gotcha. Live bait ya. Haha, sucker. You're getting hit. You're the only fish I've caught today. Yo! You got hit. Sucker. I got you. Thought you was gonna get away. Chase that live bait out the water, guys. I used the same live bait he chased out the water. Hooked it on a hook and sent it in the damn water and picked him up. Sucker. Gotcha. I broke my ducks today. Not complaining. Any which way you get it. That is it. I just waited for him to pick that bait up in his mouth, guys, and just set that hook. And he got hit. That is it, guys. Sucker. Shouldn't have did that. Stay right there. Gotcha. Gotcha, mister. Stay steady. What? This is Daddy that got you. Hey, Daddy. Yep, hey, Daddy. Let's clean you off. There, guys, so I'm gonna meet up back with Sophie Lofi Adventures. I just fished in the beach. Got myself 1 barra. Not bad at all, guys. I was watching him chase that bait out the water a while ago. And when he did that, perfect opportunity for me to pick him up on a live bait. So, try to shake the hook. You couldn't shake it, buddy. That hook was getting you good. Well, there's a few of them right here. Yeah, sure fishing. That's what's up, guys. 1 barrel this morning, not bad. Good crab bush last night. Was out with Sophie Lofi last night, guys. Me and Leo, Sophie Lofi was out crab hunting last night. Did an awesome content last night, guys. The barra hunter strikes again. YouTube, you crazy? Can't send me out in the morning and I don't catch fish. I at least catch my breakfast. Hunting, 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 happy find something, something, something. Yeah, leave Jamaican shore fishing out, guys, and we go out, we go collect something. Definitely gonna kill something. Got one. Oh yeah, that's something small. Him small man, but sure. No, I was hunting. Yeah. So I just took a walk just to exercise. Wasn't in the mood for it, but yeah. Nah, there was 5 of them down there like this size. And what happened is this one chased a live bait out of the water. So same time he chased a live bait out of the water, I'm just stop and pick him up. And just take out one fishing hook and clip on the fishing hook on this and send you out there. Nah, they're about the same size. About 5 of them down there I seen. No sir. You not this time of day. Is it 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock? Yeah, maybe. But see 8, 9 o'clock, then gone out. I hunt them every single day. Yeah. I want them special. These guys, I know how they act, I know how they behave, how they ambush, which color they changing, what condition they like changing colors. And I study them, I study the water condition that they love. So, yeah. But they're the best eating fish out there. Yeah. If you ever eat one of these fish, you'll never want to eat another fish again. Yeah. Barra meat is definitely a nice meat, so check it out. Yeah. Right now I just caught my breakfast. Here guys. Ooh, this is gonna be it for me in a second. Sophie, Lofi and Leo's out there shooting fish. Hartman Adventures is around on the rocks. I have no idea. Yeah, Leo's right there. But hold on, let me get you guys up. I got Sophie Lofi out there and I got Leo right there. So I just got back up to base to check what's going on. But they're still on the water.